coq au vin is a classic tasty dish, and here we'll show you an easy way to make it. Take 600 grams of chicken thighs with the skin still on and season well with salt and pepper. Rub the seasoning in well, then let it sit for 30 minutes. Pour 2 tablespoons of oil into a large pan and add 200 grams of chopped bacon. Cook the bacon really well until it's good and crispy. Let all of that excess water bubble off. Use a slotted spoon to remove all of the bacon from the pan, but keep the oil in there. Now add your chicken thighs to the bacon oil. Let them cook on a high heat and turn them over now and again so that they are cooked well on both sides and the skin goes brown and a little bit crispy. When it's cooked, set your chicken aside. Add 150 grams of chopped onion to the remaining oil. Cook it through. Then put in 250 grams of chopped carrot. Soften it up and add 100 grams of sliced mushrooms and do the same. Make sure to give everything a good stir. Add 20 grams of garlic and a generous mix of salt and pepper. Then stir everything well. Pour in 200 milliliters of red wine and blend it into the mixture for a few minutes. Now it's time to add your chicken back into the sauce, along with the crispy bacon and 10 grams of fresh thyme. Cover the pan and simmer on a low heat for about an hour. Meanwhile, in a small bowl, mix 50 grams of butter and 20 grams of flour until you get a nice smooth paste. Once your hour is up, stir this mixture in to thicken up your sauce. Give it a few minutes for the heat to melt the sauce into the pan. When it's thickened, it's time to serve. Use your favourite fresh vegetables and some mashed potato for a filling, tasty dinner that you can impress your friends and family with. Bon appétit!